Which of the following cannot be the unit digit of a perfect square? 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49, 8 square is 64, 9 square is 81, 10 square is 100. Now 1 square ends in 1, 11 square will also end in 1, 21 square will also end in 1. 11 square, nothing but 10 plus 1 into 10 plus 1. 10 square plus 2 into 10 plus 1. This is a multiple of 10, so multiple of 100. This 1 is remaining, so it ends in 1. So a perfect square can end in 1 or 4 or 9 or 6 or 5 or again in 6, again in 9, again in 4, again in 1 or 0. Unit digit of a perfect square cannot be 1. It can be 2. It cannot be 5. It cannot be 3. Or which other one cannot be the unit digit? The unit digit can be 1, 5 or 9. So 2 cannot be. Unit digit of a perfect square can be 1, can be 5, can be 9. It cannot be 2. 1 square ends in 1, 2 square ends in 4, 3 square ends in 9, 4 square ends in 16, 5 square ends in 5, 25, 6 square ends in 6, 7 square ends again in 9, 8 square ends in 4, 9 square ends in 1, 10 square ends in 0. 1 square ends in 1, 11 square ends in 1, 21 square ends in 1. 2 square ends in 4, 12 square ends in 4, 22 square ends in 4. And so the unit digit can be 1, can be 4, can be 9, can be 6, can be 5. 6 already counted, 9 already counted, 4 already counted, 0, 1 already counted, 0. So any of this could be the unit digit. What cannot be? 1 could be, 5 is possible, 9 is possible. The one digit that's not possible is digit 2. A perfect square cannot end in 2. Cannot be ended with the digit 2.